What your business really needs is SpeedCell. SpeedCell is a revolutionary storage system that turns unused rack space into high-density picking areas. It's scalable, customizable, and durable for your needs. SpeedCell is easy to use, easy to install, easy to maintain. Each column is constructed of high-strength yet lightweight industrial textiles that will last for years of safety and convenience. Like a 3D spreadsheet, rows of columns neatly subdivide into cells with unique location data. The patented steel track system smoothly integrates into your racking as the columns easily shift side to side for access to rear storage, and each cell is ergonomically accessible without overreaching or deep bending. With more pick facings and 40 to 60% greater SKU density, less seek and travel time also means reducing labor costs by 40%. SpeedCell gives you more so you can do more. Save time, save space, and save money. SpeedCell.